Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and safe at your homes, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your reasoning class. This lecture is for classes 4th and 5th. Subject reasoning. Chapter number 30. Name of the chapter is Coding and Decoding, and it is our lecture number 2. Beta, in this lecture 2, I will explain you number coding. In lecture 1, we have done alphabet coding, and in lecture 2, we will do number coding. And also we will discuss the solutions of lecture 1 also. And this number coding, first example is, in a certain code, 15526 is coded as APPLE, apple. Then how is 2615 coded? Code is given to us for 15526 as APPLE, and we have to find out the code for 2615. And now see what are the options given to us. First option is given to us LEAP. Second option is OEAR. Third option is PARE. And fourth option is none of these. Okay. Now what was the rule for coding decoding? First of all, we have to find out the relation. We have to find out how these are coded. 15526. It is coded as APPLE. Okay. Now 1 is written as A. 5 is written as P. 6 is written as E. And 2 is written as L. Okay. Here 5 is repeated and P is repeated. So what we have got? A, write down here. A is 1. P is 5. And L is 2. And E is 6. Now we have to write down the code for 2615. So write here 2615. 2615. 2615. 2 is L. 6 E. 1 A. 5 P. Leap, LEAP. Check in our answers in these options. First option is leap. So what is our answer? Option A. In this way you will do number coding. Now second example is, in a certain code 327 is written as 216. Now coding is done of the number with the number only. How is 658 written in that code? 327 is written as 216. So 658 can be written as, we have to tell this. And the options given to us are, A is 769. Option B is given 574. Option C is given 547. And option D is given none of these. Okay, now see. First of all, we will see what is the relation. 3 to 7. Let's write. Let's check what is the relation 3 to 7. Let me take here below this on the new sheet. Three to 7 is written as 216. Now 3 has become 2, 2 has become 1, and 7 has become 6. Are you getting it? 3 has become 2, 2 has become 1, 7 has become 6. 1 less. Got it? Now check our question. It is asked for 6, 5, 8. 6 will become 5. 5 will become 4. 8 will become 7. Are we getting any option? 7, 6, 9, 5, 7, 4. Yes, this is our answer. Understood? Now it's time to take homework of reasoning lecture 2. Okay, second lecture is its homework. First question is, in a certain code, language, two, 4, 6 is written as 3, 5, 7. How is 7, 8, 1 written in that code? And the options are given to you. A, 891, B, 892, C, 928, and D, 982. So you have to first of all understand the coding and then decode it. Now question number 2 is, CBI is coded as 329. Then what is the code for CAADI? Now this time I am not going to tell you how CBI is coded. You have to recognize yourself. Recognize. C, how it is related to 3. B, how it is related to 2. I, how it is related to 9. And then write down the code for CAADI. And your options are 31159. It's option A. Option B is 31149. Option C, 31139. And option D is 31129. Right? You have to find out the correct one. Now question number 3. In a certain code, BCD is coded as 9, what is the code for DEF? For this question, I can give you the hint. B, find out the place in your ABCD. B का place क्या है, C का place क्या है, and D का place क्या है. Then add these. Are you getting 9? You have to check. Either adding these 3 or adding 2 or adding 1, subtracting 1 from 2. Find out the relation and then decode DEF. And your options are A 11, B 10, C 15 and D none of these. Now next question, question number 4. In a certain number coding, computer is coded as 36473259. C3O6M4P7 like this. What would be the code for more? Okay, and the options are 4695, first option. Option number A, and option B is 6473. Option C is 2593 and option D 3647. You have to find out the correct option. Now question number 5. In a certain code, two is coded as T, 3 as N, 9 as A, 5 as R, 4 as K and 6 as B. Okay. How is 692 coded in that code? Now your options are A option is TNA, B option is BAT, option C is KBT and option D NAR. Okay, these are your 5 questions. Try this and the explanation of the solution you will get in the next lecture. And now we will do homework discussion of lecture 1. First question was, if ACE is coded as FHJ, then MOQ is coded as A as F, C as H. So no, it's not there. A, then B is left, C, D is left, E. After E, F is taken. F, after F, one alphabet is left, I or G. G is left. F, G is left. H, then I is left. J is taken. So here M, O, Q. After Q, the next is R. We will take R. R के बाद आपको S छोड़ना है. T, U you will leave. V you will take. So R, T, V. R, T, V is our option A. Okay, one alphabet you will take, next you will leave. Question 2 was, if code of EF is FG, EF, FG, after F, F is repeated, and after F, next is taken, G. So the code for A, B, B will be repeated. And after B, next alphabet, C. So TE, no. BC, yes. Write down answer in that fill up also. R, T, V. Okay. Now, next question was, in a certain language, go there is written as lopo and stay there is written as mopo. So look here, what is repeated? Go there, stay there. Repeated is there. Okay. Lopo, mopo. Repeated is po. So code for there is po. So find the code for there. Code for there is po. It is our option D. Lo is not there, mo is not there, go is not there. D. Okay. Question number 4 was, if code for team is meet, T-E-A-M, M-E, M is taken. T, first alphabet has become last. Then E, T-E-A-M, M-E-A-T. Now see, only T and M has changed the place. E and A are at their own place. So here also, change the places for R and H. E and A will be as such. Now check. R-E-A-H. R-E-A-H. No. R-A-E. No. So our answer is E. None of these. Okay. Here you will write down option D. None of these. No need to write here none of this because option, our answer is R-E-A-H and it is not given. So we will tick only. And now last question. Sugar is called book. If sugar is called book, book is called salt, salt is called sweet. Then what do we read? हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? हम book read करते हैं. Book is called salt. So our answer will be salt only. It is option D. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any confusion, then again you can ask in the online classes. That's all for today. Bye bye.